What?
Fine.
Oh, we left live already.
Hey everyone, it's Christmas. Soon to be Christmas.
It's so cold.
So we're gonna be playing we're gonna be playing
Some salt.
we're gonna be playing some songs. And anyways, welcome back to another episode of the T-Big Talk with the Tohs. So today, the starting is gonna be
28.
So, you wanna start off your song?
yeah. I go first. All right. Alrighty. Where I put it? Alright.
Yeah, right.
This ought to make you very sleepy on a Christmas night.
Why? I want to be sleepy. You want to hear our sharing. Okay, now me, your turn.
Which song should I play?
I don't know.
I have two songs that I know that I play that. The shorter one or the longer one? Shorter one.
Wow, thank
There's also some videos of
you.
that.
Bravo. Okay, today what are we going to share?
We're gonna share two of our favorite products, and also what we would basically those two would be the presents we would give to people for Christmas.
So before we proceed, you forgot one thing. We need to share our.
Mission.
Yeah. So who's gonna share that?
Me.
Our mission.
Our mission is to share the correct information about health and knowledge. But just this.
Yes, that's right. Our mission is to share the wisdom, the knowledge of having the right knowledge to health, to all our audience, to everyone, so that everyone can enjoy a healthy life. So you can be happy and wealthy.
The happiest life on earth.
Yes, that's right. So today, as you all know, I know most of you all are preparing for Christmas.
Christmas.
The season, the festive season is here.
Can use this.
Yes, I'm sure some of you are having to think what Christmas presents should I give to my friends.
Season to be kanchiong about what to give people for Christmas.
So today, we're gonna give you some suggestions, okay, on what is the best gift for our friends, our loved ones, for this Christmas.
And
Okay.
we're gonna give some of these products you see here to you guys.
You guys can comment down below if you want a sample, and then maybe my dad can communicate with you guys. You know, some
Just
stuff.
PM
Yeah, PM him.
We're giving away how many prizes?
A 5?
Are you sure? One.
Wait. One?
Yeah, that's one.
One.
Okay.
Yeah, one.
Okay, who's gonna start first?
You.
Me? No,
Yeah.
I'll be the last. You guys.
You.
No, I'll be the last.
I command you.
No, you start first.
I swear. Go. You go.
Okay. I'll be the last. I'm always the last.
You. No, the oldest starts first.
So the youngest starts.
No, the oldest starts
Ariel, you start
first.
first. The youngest starts first.
Oldest. No, oldest.
Oldest.
Okay, Ariel,
Oldest.
start first.
Fine. So, you know, when the festive seasons are coming, you have to defense your liver. So, we use raisin tree.
You know why we have to cleanse? Because we tend to eat a lot of treats.
You know, Christmas, you eat those candy canes. And then you eat so much and you didn't even notice.
Yeah. So
And this is the
besides raisin tree, I think another word fiber thought. You need lots of fiber, right?
This
And
this guy before he eats anything, before he literally eats anything, he will drink fiber talk.
Because he doesn't want to get fat.
Yeah, I guess so.
Well,
Also, Avenue will help.
yes. Okay, what's the other one?
And the other one is rosy time.
Wow, Rosie, why Rosie time?
It makes your skin moisture and also
Can
like
look more beautiful.
yeah.
In pics, in selfies, in
You know what? Sometimes when it's cold, it tends to like dry up. So this will help to make it moisture.
Yes, so that our body can produce its own collagen.
Collagen.
Yes.
You don't go eat those. Oh, I love fish. You go eat those fish collagen.
Yeah,
They're actually not good.
It doesn't really.
We talked about it before, right?
Yeah.
collagen broth is also not good.
Yes. Our body. Because when we take collagen, it doesn't go into our body as collagen. Our body will break it down into amino acids, and then
Yeah, same goes with protein.
Yeah.
I mean, like milk protein, cow protein, same goes with
yeah, that's why collagen. You must produce. Our body can produce our own collagen.
Then it'll be like the whole collagen.
Yeah, so you must take food high with antioxidants. That is rosy time. So your body can produce your own collagen, and you can be beautiful, and your skin can be toing toing toing.
Not like yours.
Mine is toing toing toing. Okay,
Pimple.
next is Jie.
My turn. Alright, so my first one is PhytoFit. If you guys think like the new Soy Pro is very cool, protest with me, okay? Protest with me to make it sweeter. Still very
A bit.
weird. So PhytoFit is a ideal one. It tastes so like the old Soy Pro and even sweeter.
It's really that important.
Yes, it's very important.
Besides taste.
You can just have 2 packets, that's what I do. Anyways, and Soy Pro but PhytoFit is also okay. And then the next one is, oh yeah, I just forgot to mention, PhytoFit is for protein. You need protein. And next one is Isu. When you're so busy with decorating your house and stuff, then you suddenly, oh no, I don't have time to cook. So you can just cook any noodle porridge with this. It is super delicious and it has lots of vegetables. You don't
Super convenient.
and nice.
You just need to mix it with hot water.
Yeah, you can just drink it in a soup too. Can be a perfect. Instead of chicken broth, you can just do this. It's much easier, right? Easier, right?
You're just killing the chicken to get the chicken broth.
Yeah. So
And then the chickens will get extinct and then you don't have any chicken to eat.
Well, that's great. Then people will learn to be vegetarian. Anyways, just like shark fin soup, you just kill the shark for the fins. Ah!
yes, thank you, Jie. Oh, look at our background, isn't it? See, it feels like Christmas, isn't it?
Can I ask you something? Are mermaids extinct because the sharks ate the mermaid?
There's no scientific proof that shows mermaid does exist.
There is.
Is it? Maybe you can show me one day. Okay. Okay, it's my turn. Yes. Why you laugh?
You want your turn to come quickly? Then why didn't you want to go first?
Exactly.
So, the 2 best gift I think I can give to my friends and my family is Soy Pro, because Soy Pro contains soybeans and ginseng. Excellent food for my parents because as they grow old, their muscles mass will reduce. So they need lots of soy. Yeah, so they need lots of soy for their muscle mass, to maintain their muscle mass. Yes, wholesome soy. And also there's ginseng to keep them energetic. Okay, very good.
And did you know if you put too much ginseng and Chinese herbs, it will cause like vomiting?
No, that's not true. It depends because the ginseng that we choose is food grade,
Yeah.
so it's okay.
If you put a lot of Chinese herbs
And a lot.
So don't take so much. It's okay because it's food grade. So the most you get is diarrhea only. You won't be poisoned. Okay. Next is that's what happens when you all watch too much TV. Okay, come.
we will will put you into box. Because you say the best present is you. So
Okay,
put
next.
you into a box and deliver to
Next,
other
the
people.
best gift is, I think this is the best gift, is immunity. Why immunity? Because immunity contains lots of varieties of mushrooms, which is, when mushrooms contains a lot of what? Polysaccharides. Polysaccharides can help to, it can help to modulate our immune system. So it helps our body to produce lots of antibodies, lots of natural killer cells. When and we produce those when we meet the diseases, not diseases, the viruses or bacteria to fight. Okay? Yeah, so it's a very good food to modulate our immune system. So in case when we go out to enjoy ourselves, it cannot see me. Okay? When we go out, we'll meet viruses and bacteria. So we need immunity to help us fight against all these bacteria and viruses. Okay? Very good. So, those are our best gift. To
Yeah,
begin.
no one best gift, also one
What
other
is it?
one. A puppy.
Puppy, no. Your mommy don't like puppy.
No, the puppy will be your god.
Yeah, so remember, the best gift to our friends and our loved ones is health.
You just said yes, you're gonna buy us a puppy. Yay.
Yay!
Health. And besides giving them the best gift of health, have you thought about giving yourself presents, gifts for your health as well? No? Because when you are healthy, your friends and your families are happy too. And that is the best gift to them as well.
I have thought about giving myself tissues.
So, ladies and gentlemen, okay, besides giving your friends gifts for Christmas, how about giving yourself best gift of health? Okay? Nutritious food to help to modulate your immune system.
This is so good.
Okay, best food for our immune system, our best doctor in the world. Yay, we did it again. This is episode 28 already. 2 more episodes will be 30. Yay. So next week, let's talk about next week. Next week we're gonna have another special session.
This is very special because I put on my hot water in this. So it's next week.
People don't answer.
Let me change my accent.
Well, next week we're gonna
So next week, guys, we're gonna be showing you guys what products we'll be packing for a cruise. And yes, we are going on a cruise to nowhere. So yeah.
Yes, next week we're gonna share with you what are the products we're going to pack. Okay, for our cruise trip. We've been looking forward to our cruise trip.
I was also thinking the 30 episode, you know, of like the last episode this year, right? We could go on a cable car. And
Okay, we'll think about it. Okay, maybe the last episode of the year we'll think of something very special. Okay? Okay, see you. Bye.
Not bye. See you next week.
See you next week. Okay. Oh, can someone switch off? Finish.